Alonso, can you please get all of our Christmas decorations out of the attic?
Yes, Mom. Now I need to make my Christmas wish list. Crunch, no.
Eat slower, you can get fat.
Yes, Dad. I gotta go turn on the new TV.
Joe Watson live at the scene where a blizzard will be heading around central United States. The areas in the transparent white round shapes had blizzards. The areas in the transparent mint green round shapes have only snow.
Awesome, we're getting a blizzard this year.
Just woke up. Now I need to get everything ready. Mom, can I please buy some gifts?
Sure you can.
Kidding me? How are we going to watch Christmas specials? This is so unfair. I'm just going to listen to some Juice WRLD. See you guys later.
Alonso, the hot chocolate, s'mores, and hot soup are ready.
Okay, this hot chocolate is delicious. Oh my gosh, that's menudo, a very delicious Mexican soup. God bless this yummy food.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
2007 Bugatti Veyron 16.4 toy car that also comes with a key fob for the real car, worth $50,000. This is very awesome.